How to remove restricted mode on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove restricted mode on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is opening up your TikTok. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you do that, you can head over to the profile section that is on the bottom right corner. After you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner and head over to settings and privacy. After you do that, you will see a content and display section. Right under there, you should find content and preferences. Head over there, and there you should see restricted mode. Head over to restricted mode, and there you should see turn off button. Now as you can see right here, restricted mode limits the content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. So they just limit the content that they show you. Now if you want to turn it off, tap on the turn off button and enter the passcode that you set while you set up your restricted mode. Now as you can see right here, now you can just turn it off and there you go. That is how you can remove or disable restricted mode. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.